Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrainingsystem.com. Today is the first day of the new year, 2026. Happy New Year to all of you. May God Almighty make this year the happiest and the most successful year of your life and our lives, right? My life and your life. So let's begin the new year with goal. All right, so I'm going to making this video for Go. So let's get started. This is the chart. This is a monthly chart, and you can see the date September 2025. So this is a big picture, right? So this my Elliott wave count, wave one is a big bracket, and wave two. Now we are doing wave three, and out of that we have wave one, two, and wave three is underway. And then after that, we're gonna fall into wave four and wave five, and so on and so forth. So wave three is still going, and this is a breakdown of wave three. That this is wave one, two, and wave three was underway. One, two, and all of these, sub count I had made, and wave three was constantly going to the upside all the time. Right. So every time I start thinking that now it's gonna drop, it goes up again. Right. So this was the drama going on. So this is November 15th. And then finally, I made this chart on in December, right? This month, last month actually. This is, it's still is a new month right now, January 1st today. So December 7th, I made this that okay, this is my counts like one, two, three, and four, and then we're gonna end up with five somewhere there, and 43, 44 somewhere there. So, but we end up making the high at 47. No, sorry, 45, I guess, right? So this is a chart again I made. It's constantly going to the upside. And then we ended up here all the way to 161. Now, this 161 calculation, fib expansion is usually for wave three. So if it is going to be wave three, and it is supposed to be wave three, if it's wave one, two, and three, then we should be falling here for wave four or 38% of wave three. So that's exactly what happened. I made the chart and I had like 1500 pip trade. Let me just show you that where that thing is. I mean, that's crazy. But once you know that what the heck is happening, then you can pull something like that. Not a problem, right? So this is what it started to drop, and then boom, it opened the trade, and then it went down straight up, 1500 pip trade. Uh, and then let's see. Now this one was on the 29th December, so immediately I made the chart that this could be the end of the road for the down, and but this cannot be wave four, right? This is wave two, then wave four need to be coming in wave three. A, B, C. So this could be A of four. That's what I thought. And then I made this chart that this is A of four, then we're supposed to be going into this area for B of four, and then we come down for C of four, and that would be the end of wave four. Then we will go up for wave five. So I made this chart that it start bouncing 29 December. And then, as of today, let me see where the chart. I saved the chart, but I don't know where the heck it is. I recorded it, saved it. So what happened today? You can see market open, and then we are going to the upside. Okay? So it was like that on the 29th. And then it is, went up and then it came down here, hit the TL again, and then it started to go to the upside. So let's see how far it goes to the upside. This is my chart. Like I said, A of four, B of four is into maybe 50%, 61%, 78%. Time will tell where it is going to stop. Right? But so far, so good. It is bouncing from the TL and then going to the upside. Right? So this is it for now. And this is January 1st. I saved the chart, but I have no idea. But I'll find it. And then I'll post on the Telegram as well. So let's get going. And I have a small, on the other account, I have a small long going on. So let's see how far we go. But this is a pretty, long distance. So let's see if we can get there. Right. So this is it for now for gold and everything else. I've been busy. I'm not, I haven't looked into, so I'm gonna do it tonight after sleeping a little bit. Then I'll get up and then maybe tomorrow I will start doing the analysis for this year, right? So this is it for now. And like I said, that on my website, everything is 50% off. Umar said that extended, over till over the weekend because some people, they were like, no, we are busy. We couldn't do it. So please let us have it. So I says, okay, no problem. So the sale is like until Sunday night. So this is, on a Friday. So over the weekend, no problem. This is new week. I mean, New Year, right? First week of the New Year, and I want everybody to take advantage. And then, the best thing that you can do is to sign up for one-on-one, learn the whole thing, especially trading this gold between these charts that I use. 1,000, box size to 200 box size entry. I showed you so many times. It's a perfect system, but you need to understand it perfectly. First, you understand, then it becomes piece of cake. It's, walk in a park and you can just, at will, you can trade the gold and take big trades out of it. Big trades. Now, I'm not talking about 5, 10 pip like usually people do, right? My trades are big, big, huge trades, right? So it all depends on, if you know the, Harmony patterns, Elliott Wave, counting, Fibonacci, Mambo, Jumbo, this and that. So like I said, that one-on-one, I teach you and make you master of all this, and you take it from there and make sure that you make this year a very successful year of your trading business. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later.